Gone are the days of cracked cables with vulnerable wires exposed, or connectors left bent and precarious at the end of the cable, inviting accidental disconnections. While rugged cables exist in the market, Magtame innovations extend beyond mere durability. The Magtame innovation may seem small in size, possibly going unnoticed by many, yet its impact is substantial. Magtame introduces a groundbreaking feature: embedded magnets within its cables. These magnets offer a game-changing solution, allowing the cables to effortlessly manage themselves by wrapping them into neat stacks or circles, depending on the design. Forget about cumbersome Velcro straps, tie wraps, or tangled wires. With Magtame, cables quickly unwind for use and seamlessly coil back into a compact configuration for storage or travel. We all are surrounded by countless cables scattered across boxes, bags, office drawers, and garage containers. It's evident to us that magnetic cables are poised to become the new standard, except perhaps for the smallest applications. This shift will undoubtedly impact how hardware manufacturers package their products, leading to more organized and efficient kits. Magtame cables not only excel in cable management, but also stand out as exceptional cables in their own right. During our testing, we had the opportunity to evaluate both the 60-watt versions of the coiled MagCable and MagCable, available in sleek silver and black options. What sets the MagCable apart is its innovative magnet stacking design, resulting in a convenient circular stack for the cable ends. Additionally, the C version coils into flat, stackable loops. Importantly, arranging these cables into their desired configuration requires minimal effort on the part of the user. It's worth mentioning that most Magtame cables are available in lengths of 1 meter and 1.5 meters, catering to various usage scenarios. Magtame's commitment to durability is evident in its rugged cable design, which boasts multiple layers of protection. Featuring a nylon braided wire exterior for enhanced durability compared to traditional plastic coatings, the cables also house a TPE-coated wire bundle beneath the nylon exterior, further bolstered by mylar film wrapping. Moreover, the use of 4-pin, 18-gauge wire ensures longevity compared to lower-gauge alternatives. Distinguishing between various USB-C connectors and understanding their capabilities has become increasingly complex. However, Magtame simplifies this landscape with connectors equipped with integrated chips, offering advanced functionalities such as voltage management. As the industry transitions towards Thunderbolt 5, with Apple Intel ports expected to become the standard interface for most laptops, Magtame's forward-thinking approach ensures compatibility and performance across evolving technologies. Thunderbolt 4 and 5 transcend simple voltage regulation, boasting a suite of capabilities within a single cable, including power delivery, data transfer, video output, and network connectivity. However, to fully utilize these features, it's essential to use a certified Thunderbolt cable. Similar to Apple's stringent MFI certification, Magtame has recently obtained licensing for Thunderbolt technology, specifically for their 20 Gbps data transfer cable. While not classified as a full Thunderbolt 4 or 5 cable with comprehensive testing and certification, it signifies a step forward for the company in embracing Thunderbolt technology. Although Magtame cables excel in fast charging and data transfer, it's important to note that they may not support the full speeds or functionalities of Thunderbolt. However, as Thunderbolt technology becomes more prevalent, it remains to be seen whether Magtame will pursue full licensing. For many cable applications, Thunderbolt's extensive feature set isn't necessary. Instead, the priority lies in efficiently passing power and data at high rates. In these instances, Magtame cables provide a fresh cable management experience without compromising on quality. Like many innovations, Magtame cables come with their own set of trade-offs, with the primary one being weight. Compared to other cables of similar lengths, Magtame cables are noticeably heavier due to the incorporation of magnetic components. However, when considering the trade-off between the convenience of self-organizing cables and the hassle of dealing with messy, fragile alternatives, the choice becomes clear. In short, with durable nylon construction and connectors, Magtame cables offer effortless organization thanks to embedded magnets. In a collection of tech accessories, the slight increase in weight is negligible. However, the convenience of swiftly retrieving and utilizing a cable when needed far outweighs any minor weight difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.